Hi children, today we are going to learn chapter 9, the states of India. So before learning states of India, we must know something about India, isn't it? There are two important dates we all remember when we speak about India. The first one is Independence Day and the second one is Republic Day. Okay then, tell me, when is our Independence Day? If you don't know, I think it's not good. Being an Indian citizen, we all have to know when is our Independence Day. But I know my children are so smart and so good. So, you all will be knowing when is our Independence Day. Then tell me, when is our Independence Day? It is 15th August 1947. The next date we all remember is Republic Day. Okay, tell me then, when is our Republic Day? Is it 26th January 1950? Yes, I know you all will be knowing, but I just reminded you once again, that's all. Okay, now these two dates are very important for us. One is our Independence Day, that is 15th August 1947, and the second one is 26th January, that is 1950. Okay, now I said some word like Republic Day. Okay, what do you mean by Republic? Republic means a country where the head of the state or country is elected for a fixed term. Have you all got what is the meaning of this? Which means we got a head for our country on 26th January 1950. Have you all got it? Then tell me, who was that first head? Do you all remember? Yes, it is our Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Under his leadership only we started our Republic country on 26th January 1950. Okay. At the same way, India is the largest democratic country in the world. Okay. Democratic means a country where people elect their representatives to rule on their behalf. Which means the citizens of India who are above 18 and above in age have the right to choose their representative who is going to control or help us in our necessities or give us whatever we require as a citizens of India. So, we have learned two dates, that is, one is 26th January 1950, and another dates we learned 15th August 1947, and we learned what is a republic, and also we learned what is a democratic country. So, which is the largest democratic country in the world? India is the largest democratic country in the world. Okay, now let me ask now, who is the head of India at present? We all know. It is Sri Ramnath Kovind. And next important thing is, India, as per the area concerned, it is the 7th largest country in the world, and also the population concerned, India is the 2nd largest. So two more important things. As per the area concerned, India is the 7th largest country in the world, and as per the population concerned, India is the 2nd largest country. Now, when we come back again to India, it has 28 states and 8 union territories. And it is so big country where more than 120 crore people are living. So it is very difficult for one single government to rule. It has been divided into two levels, that is central government and state government. The government at the central level is called central government. The government at the state level is called state government. Before concluding today's class, let me recall once again, we have learned two important dates, that is August 15, 1947, that is our Independence Day, and January 26, 1950, that is our Republic Day. And we have learned the term Republic means a country where the head of the state or country is elected for a fixed term. And we have learned democratic means a country where people elect their representative to rule on their behalf. And India is the 7th largest country as per the area and 2nd largest as per the population. Thank you, children.